How to link Warthunder account to Steam. Welcome back to Glitch Sorcerer, and let's jump right into this tutorial. First and foremost, you need to launch your Steam in your PC. Wait until it starts up. So it is pretty simple to link your Warthunder account to Steam because all you have to do is purchase your Warthunder to your Steam. Now in your Steam, make sure that you are logged in into your Steam account. If you have not logged in or you don't have an account, make sure to create one and log in into your account. To make sure that you are logged in, you can check out your username right here at the top. In the search box, you need to go ahead and search for Warthunder. In here, you will find various versions of Warthunder that you can easily purchase or download for free. If you choose any of the Warthunder that consists of a fee or a charge that you have to pay for, you have to do it by linking your debit or credit card. To do so, all you have to do is select on the Add to Cart option. As you can see, it will cost me about $75. You can select if it's for your account or it is a gift. Tap on View My Cart. Then you can add one more quantity of the Warthunder if you want to. If not, check out by tapping on Continue Shopping. By this way, you have to add your cart details and purchase your Warthunder. And it is also how you link your Warthunder account to your Steam. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.